What's going on, everyone, and welcome to another video. This is G20 Storm, and I got a good one for you today. Today we are going to be installing the front lip for the BMW M340i 2023. Now, here's the thing. I ordered it from eBay, and if this works out, I'm gonna save you guys a whole lot of money. If it doesn't work out, then hopefully I get a refund and you guys don't make the same mistake as me. So on eBay, they sell a 2023 front lip, but it costs about $170. They also sell a 2022 front lip, but it only costs about $50 and maybe $60 with shipping and whatnot. I think I paid like $57 or something like that. However, the 2022 version does not fit in this car according to eBay or their site, right? And I even asked the salespeople, and the salespeople told me, no, it will not fit in your car. But the 2023 version looked exactly the same as the 2022 version. So either they were using the same pictures or it's the same one. And so I said, I'm ordering the $50 one and let's see if it fits. So this is what it looks like. I'm gonna show you guys and then we'll work on installing it and see. So this is the first time installing it, so I'm not entirely sure I know what I'm doing, but hopefully the video comes out good enough for me to show you guys what I did without all the mistakes, and then you guys can install it yourself perfectly on your awesome 2023 M340i. Thank you guys, let me show you the stuff. So if it works out, this is what it should look like at the end. Now this is the exact same one that they were selling for the 2023. So hopefully it all fits and works out. I'll show you all some close-ups right now. But yeah, let's see. All right, so these are the side pieces. It comes in a 3-piece. Now it is just kind of cheap plastic, right? Nothing crazy. This is kind of the look that it will be giving the car. Something like that. Looks pretty cool, I like it already. This is what it looks like from the back. So it has presets of where you'll need to drill holes, which you will need to drill into your front bumper for perfect secureness. And it doesn't come with double-sided tape. It does come with the screws, however. The screws are right there in that little tiny bag right there. But this one is like this right here. So it looks like this has some 2 little areas where you'll kind of place it together into this one right here, and it'll just kind of go like that. Whoops. And it's kind of hard because it needs to be lifted, but it'll go like that, and that'll be that part. So I'm gonna use double-sided tape to kind of get a vision of what it looks like. And then if it looks good and it fits, I will secure it in place with the screws. All right, so first things first, I think, so this one right here seems pretty easy as far as how it's supposed to go. So this goes here, but in order to get like an accurate measurement, I guess, of where all this is gonna go, this needs to perfectly fit here flush. So what I think I'm going to do first is I'm going to align this piece and see if I can put it on. And then once I put this piece on, I will then secure the rest of it and see how it goes. So I'm gonna cut some double-sided pieces and kind of place them along the edge right here. And then put them on. All right, so first things first, we got our double-sided tape. We got some extra double-sided tape right here. I'm using a 3M Auto double-sided tape. Let me see if I can get it to focus. It's gonna be tough to get this thing to focus, but it is the 3M Auto tape that we're using. And first and foremost, I'm going to wipe this down with some isopropyl alcohol. It is the 70% version. So let's go ahead and put some of this in here. and just kind of wipe this down. Also, my garage is kind of dirty because I just cut the grass, and so a lot of the grass gets in here when I bring the lawnmower back in. So there's a lot of grass that keeps getting on this, so I have to make sure that I clean it really well. And then I'm also going to wipe down the bottom of the car, which is probably going to be more dirty. And now I'm going to just go ahead and add some of this double-sided tape. Again, I'm going to put it along the edge. I'm going to try my best to make it as clean and as neat as possible. And by the way, guys, this double-sided tape, you gotta be careful with it, because you'd think, you know, that maybe it's not as sticky or something like that. It doesn't feel that sticky, but let me tell you, once this guy sticks, it sticks. All right, so I ran out of tape, but I was able to do that from all the way from the edge up to the side. I'm gonna test that out really quick to see what that kind of looks like. I'll make sure that almost all of it can at least touch some part of the car. So I want to make sure that you guys can see, so I'm gonna make sure to move you guys a little bit closer. See what we got here. And again, I want to make sure that as much, if not everything, can touch a part of the car. Because it looks like it's a good fit, but at the same time, it also feels like there's parts of it that may not actually be touching the car. But okay, it looks like it is pretty good. I'm gonna go ahead and put that one in there first. So I'm gonna peel the edge. The problem here is that once this thing is like on there, this thing is like on there. Okay, so this feels like a pretty good fit. All right, let's give you guys a little look so you guys can see what that kind of looks like right now. But that looks pretty cool. It does seem to have a bit of an opening right here, but it does not seem to go in further. Now that could be due to the fact that this one is not made for this car, or it could just be that that's like the fitment, I guess. But again, I'm gonna play around with it and see what I can do. All right, everyone, so I'm gonna start with the second side, which goes on the other one, and I'm gonna clean that one up as well. So I'm gonna get some of this alcohol, put it on the new area of the rag. Just kind of wipe this down. I also need to wipe the other side of the car, but I have the camera over here on this side, and this is where most of the light is, so that you guys can see. So I guess for now, I'm going to put the double-sided tape on this. I might need more of it, to be honest, because this is actually a pretty big piece. But let's see how this goes. Let me make sure it's like all dried up. There we go. I feel like it fit pretty well, except for that little area where it has a bit of a gap. But other than that, I think it's a pretty good fit. I just hope it's gonna fit from like left to right. That's like my main concern, that maybe the bumper on the 2022 is like shorter or longer, and it doesn't like match up perfectly, but and I am able to put a lot more double-sided tape on this side because I have like a full amount here. And then now I just need to cut it. I don't know where I left my blade. Have you seen my blade? I have a blade to cut these, but I don't know where I left it. And this is like an older blade that's not that good. So kind of hard to cut with this one. All right, so cut this. So now I'm gonna take you guys over to the other side. Might not be a lot of light over there, but we're still gonna attempt to put it. My dog's coming into the frame. Just trying to figure out how to pass, but there you go. There you go. All right, let's go ahead and go over to the other side. Hey, sir. All right, so we're gonna put this guy down here. Oh, you guys can still see. It's not too bad. And then I'm gonna go ahead and peel off the double-sided tape here. Oh wait, I didn't clean it on this side. So, good thing I remembered that I didn't wipe it down with alcohol. So, and it is pretty dirty underneath. Let me get up in here. Perfect. Okay, so we're gonna go ahead and put this guy in here. Again, just match it up to the back. Have it as close as possible. Not sure about the fitment here. This one seems to be a little bit off. Let me try again. The other one had like a pretty good fitment. This one, on the other hand, doesn't seem to have as good of a fitment. Or maybe I'm putting it in the wrong places. There you go. Yeah, that was the thing. I was putting it in the wrong spots. Actually, no, I'm not. This doesn't fit like the other one. Let me check out the other one. Yeah, the other one pretty much lines up really well. The other one lines up really well on the front here. But this one doesn't seem to line up that well. Oh man, there is a way to do it, but that would mean, oh, now it's like kind of stuck. I'm telling you guys, this double-sided tape is really strong. Okay, so kind of wondering if maybe it's actually meant to be the way that I was putting it the first time. I mean the second time around, I guess. But that would mean I would have to drill like, nah, that doesn't look right. Oh man, this double-sided tape really sticks. Yeah, this is a tough fit. I'm not sure if it's due to the fact that, you know, this is not really made for this one. I'm not entirely sure on it. All right, so I found a way to put it on. It looks pretty good. It looks all taped up perfect. And then now the last part would be if this guy fits. And I'll show you guys the fitment in a little bit because it might not be the same on one side and the other as, oh, it doesn't fit. So close, guys, so close, but no. The fitment is off. It will not attach. In order for me to get this, I would need, here, let me show you guys what I'm looking at here. All right, it's kind of hard to show you guys the fitment, but essentially you've got these like two little prongs right here that's supposed to go on one side, right? But if I put it on one side or one end over here, it's like a good 1.5 to 2 inches of empty space on this side. Well, you can't really see, but there you go. You can kind of tell from here where, like my fingers, it doesn't fit. Now the only thing we can do about this is try to maneuver the fitment of it. Maybe it's like incorrectly placed, but it honestly just feels like it just doesn't fit. It doesn't fit on this one. I might actually have to order the one for the 2023. But I'll still make this video and I'll still put it there for you guys to watch. And let me put this back. I'm still gonna make this video. Oops, right there. All right, so I'm still gonna make this video and I'm still gonna post it up so you guys can see that if you're in the market for a front lip and you own a 2023 and you see this one on eBay that says the 2022 version, do not order it, even though it's 50 bucks. It will not fit. So this video will still be up. You guys can still watch it, and I'll just see if I can return this one and then order the 2023 version and then make an updated video when that one arrives. But anyways, it looks pretty cool though, I'm not gonna lie. Here, let me put it from afar. I think they look pretty cool on the side. I did waste double-sided tape. That's kind of a bummer, but it looks pretty good. The fitment, the sides, it looks pretty good. I like it. But it did not fit. But anyways, thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you guys on the next one. Peace.